Saturn's hidden past. Did one impact give birth to both Titan and the rings? In the far reaches of our solar system, Saturn stands crowned with rings and surrounded by 274 confirmed moons. Yet beneath that serene beauty, evidence points to chaos. Scientists now believe that only a few 100 million years ago, a dramatic instability reshaped the entire Saturnian system. Saturn's axial tilt, nearly 27 degrees, may not be a quiet feature of formation, but the fingerprint of gravitational resonance. Titan, its largest moon and the second largest in the solar system, slowly migrated outward, tugging at the architecture of everything around it. Then, roughly 400 million years ago, something extraordinary may have happened. A mid-sized moon, Proto-Hyperion, was destabilized. It collided with Proto-Titan in a violent merger. Debris scattered across space. Some fragments gathered into moons. Others drifted inward and formed the brilliant rings we see today. Hyperion's strange, irregular shape may be a surviving clue. Titan's surprisingly young surface may be another. What looks timeless could, in reality, be the aftermath of cosmic upheaval. If Saturn's rings were born from destruction and its moons reshaped by collision, are we witnessing a planetary system that is far younger and far more dynamic than we ever imagined?